Welcome to another video. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing. This unboxing is from FGOBY or FGOBY. They did send me these items for review, so thank you to FGOBY. So I got some non-diamond painting, but diamond painting accessories. So first thing is, this is supposed to be double-sided tape. When I ordered it, or I didn't realize it was gonna actually be this small, but it does say it's supposed to be 3mm wide double-sided tape. I should read descriptions, right? So, is this really what 3mm is? Yeah, that is how thick 3mm is. So it's a really, really narrow, double-sided tape. This actually might work if you just need one row of diamond drills drilled. This would actually work out pretty well. So it is double-sided tape. It does look like, yeah, it looks like you'll be able to peel off the top of, I will, hopefully, I think with one of the finishes with this video, maybe I'll be able to test this out by putting some diamond painting in my portfolio book. So this is a 99 cents in US dollars. It does say it's supposed to be 120 by 3mm. So does that mean it's only 12 centimeters long? I don't think so. So there's no units for the first part. So yeah, it does look like it's a good chunk of tape though. So it's just really, really thin this way. So I was not anticipating that, but I will try it out, hopefully, if I remember. Future me, who's making the unboxing, try it out, try out the tape. Giving a message to myself, and I did say this was 99 cents. So this next item is some storage, and would you believe I actually don't have this storage? If you've been following my channel, you may or may not realize that I am the diamond painting accessory of my choice is the drill storage. But yeah, no, I actually don't have I don't have this particular storage. I have the outer container, but I had gotten it for the Tic Tac containers that are the bigger ones. So these ones should be 64 slots. So 2, 4, 6, 8, wait, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. 16 times 4. Let's see, wait. Yeah, 6 times 4 is 24. 4 times 24 plus 40, yeah. So 64. And they are these Tic Tac boxes here. There's folks have very mixed reactions to the Tic Tac boxes. They either hate them or love them, or and there are the people that don't like them, they really don't like them, and the people that love them really love them. I'm actually finding that I did not originally get these before because I thought it would be a pain to put the drills in, but I have since found that they're not that bad. So yeah, no, these ones, I do notice that these ones actually have letters on them. I'm not even sure if you'll be able to see it. This one says F on it. And then this one says H on it. I'm not sure what it means, but yeah. So there are 64 drill of these containers, and I got these primarily because I've been doing a lot of special shaped diamond paintings and putting the drills away in the Tic Tac, kitting up the drills in the Tic Tac containers actually are, with me doing multiple of the special shapes, might be a good idea. So it does come with some labels. The labels do look like they might be too big for the container, but that's okay. I have tons of labels. And so yeah, Like I said, remarkably, I don't have one of these with the 64 small Tic Tac containers. And this is on the site for $12.99. And in case you kind of just want to know how big this is, it's about 22 by 13 or 12 and a half more like, and the height is about 5 centimeters. So it does have a handle here. I typically, for my old ones, I have just cut these off. The ones for because I have the outer box, but it has the 32 in there. I've just been cutting them off because I don't really use the handle, and I feel like it takes up more space. But yeah, some storage. Maybe perhaps I'll use the storage to kit up the diamond paintings I'm gonna unbox here. We'll see. So this next item, I actually not sure which one this is. So I think I have to pull it up. I think this is it. No, page not found. So maybe it's not available anymore, because my link for this item does not seem to be found. So if I do find it again, I will change the link. If not, I'll just leave the link below in case it does come back. And this one does have an ordinary toolkit. There is some black tweezers. This is some special shape drills. And here it is. It's actually a paper quilling inspired diamond painting, but it's longer than the normal like 25 by 35. So I thought, hey, this is something different. So it's supposed to be like this, but you know, it's too tall unless I move my camera up if you want to see it. There is the full picture there. I'm gonna move you back down so you'll see the full picture here. So it does look like there is 11 colors in this, and they're all just 1 through 11, the symbols. There does look like there is the crystal code on there, and wow, look at how tiny number 10 is right there. Do you see it? Do you see? That's supposed to be number 10. It's super, super, super tiny. It does look like they are a special shape, so hopefully that's, yeah, no, that number 10 is probably the most difficult one to see there. Perhaps they should have made that one of the other numbers so it's not so tiny. I'm wondering if it is a tiny, tiny drill. So other than that number 10, everything does look like it. Everything does look pretty easily read. This actually might have a lot more drills than I think. And if it does go back up, this was at the time of me picking this out, this was $6.99, and it is bigger. Where's my measuring tape? Oh. I found my measuring tape. It was in, I don't know. I had it like earlier in the video. So this is a 54 by 25. So it's a much bigger one, but I thought it would be nice to do this one. So let's see. It looks like some rhinestones here. There is 2 of number 2 there. And it looks like 2 of number 3. So, and some pink, greens, Ooh, this is pretty. A lovely marquee, some pink marquees, some purples. Okay, this is probably number 10, and the symbol for it is teeny tiny, but it's these really teeny tiny marquees here. Tiny. And I think it's smaller than the regular drills, and then some clear drills here. So yeah, I think this one's gonna be really pretty. Those tiny marquees might drive me crazy, but they're, yeah. I think this will turn out pretty. So next diamond painting. Hopefully this one is still on the site. It is this one. Oh, this one is not available either. Wow. I'm thinking there was a lot of Christmas shopping going on. FYI, I am recording this on 12/14. So, and I had contacted them in November about these. So, in the end of November. So ordinary toolkit. These are round drills, and here it is. It's this bird hanging out on, I don't know, a bird feeder, or is it a ledge? I thought it was cute. And while it's Christmassy, it's more wintry. So I figured I could still do this, you know, beyond December. So there you go. It's this bird on a ledge, and it looks like some snow on a tree in the background here. And had it still been, well, the link right now is doesn't look like it's working, but was $4.99, and it is a 25 by 34.5. So looks like there are 24 colors in this, and it has my absolute favorite legend, which is numbers and letters in alphabetical order and numerical order. So that's my favorite legend. So it does. I don't see anything that would be a problem to read on this here. But yeah, I thought, oh look, it's the bird on, yeah. It's cute. So, colors. Let's look at some colors here. So, some white drills, some brown ones, and some more browns and purples. So, more muted colors here with some pops of color. Oh, see this one, there's the pops of color there. So yeah, I think this, it's a close enough picture to the bird. So hopefully the smaller size it will still turn out. So next diamond painting. Let's see. Hopefully the link is working for this one. The hazards of, you know, getting things, I guess, around the holiday season is things might actually have been bought prior to me getting it. So this one, hey, the link works. So this one is a mandala. It looks like ordinary toolkit except with some black tweezers, and these are special shapes here. And here it is. Let me flatten it. Flatten. So, since the picture sometimes tends to be a lot different than the original image, let's see. See, here's the mandala here. And it does look like there are 12 colors in this, and they're just 1 through 12. And there is some sort of code. And let's look at the drills. So it looks like there's a big number 10, which is that. It looks like they gave 2. So that's nice. And some yellow, purple. Ooh, this is like a really nice purple. And some deep greens. And then these look like they're the specials here. Some marquees, teardrops, smaller marquees, bigger teardrops, and bigger marquees, and some heart-shaped, green heart-shaped ones. So did I say this one was $4.99? And I did not measure it, and it's a 23.5 by 23.5. So yeah, in case you don't remember everything that was unboxed in this video today, here is the mandala, here's the bird here is this long flower picture, and there's the really thin tape. But hopefully still usable. And here is the Tic Tac containers. So I will attempt to finish something in this. I'm thinking this, or maybe the mandala, or maybe this. I don't know. I might just kit them all up and see what happens, if what ends up actually getting done. But I will see you later. So I'm back, and here is the finish of this one here. Yes, it's not the right orientation, but I mean, this way I'll have to bring you up a lot. Well, it's not that bad. Right, there you go. So yeah, it's finished here. It's a long one. I'm gonna move you back down. That was just so that you could see the full effect. But yeah, this one is finished here. It's actually absolutely beautiful that my mom was like, you need to have 4 of them. I don't know why she said 4, but I think she was like, you need to have 4 of them so they could be a set. And so in future, I might get some more of these longer ones. We will see. But yeah, no, this one's absolutely beautiful. I love this here. Just the different color scheme here of the greens and then the browns. It's very... yeah, I thought that turned out really well here. So my mom actually did this one because, you know, apparently I'm a massive slacker in the diamond painting. She's doing all of my finishes here. Well, not my finishes, her finishes. So this is a 25 by 54.5 centimeter long thing with 11 colors. There were 8 crystal rhinestones and 3 specials, and this took my mom 2 days to complete. So yeah, it's beautiful. I think the main issue, I didn't write it down, but I remember my mom complaining was, this teeny tiny teardrop here. I mean, not teardrop, marquee here. It's actually number 10, and the symbol for it is tiny. I mean, it was not that she couldn't see, like, it just was so tiny that it just seemed... it was just so much harder to put on. So that was her main criticism, is like, this little like marquee here is so tiny, and then they had to put the symbol as 10, and it was so small that she couldn't read it. But I was like, does anything else look like it? So so it was just you put on based off of the basis that there was no other similar symbols. So yeah. But otherwise, I think this turned out beautiful. So, no other finishes for this video, but thank you to FGOBY for sending this item and the other items for review. And thank you for watching, and happy diamond painting. Bye!